Today's English lesson is bound to save you money and make your shopping adventures more exciting. Hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome to Why Not Academy. I'm thrilled to have you back. Have you ever found yourself wanting to ask for a better deal in English, but unsure of where to begin? Well, in this video, I'm going to dive deep into the art of bargaining. Bargaining, known as haggling in many cultures, is not just about getting a better price. It's also about doing it with grace and effectiveness. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through 7 different scenarios, from taking the first step in initiating a bargain to the thrilling exchange of offers, expressing your interests, comparing prices, negotiating for extras, all while maintaining utmost politeness and even recognizing the right time to gracefully walk away. Whether you're exploring bustling markets, hitting up department stores, or even negotiating online, these essential ready-to-use phrases will empower you to confidently handle a variety of situations. Are you ready to learn the secrets of successful bargaining in English? Grab your notepad and let's get started. Number 1, initiating the bargain. Imagine strolling through a bustling market, eyeing that perfect item you've been searching for. Our first stop is initiating the bargain. In this scenario, you're going to learn the art of starting the conversation with confidence. These phrases are your keys to unlocking the door to negotiation. I'm interested in this item. Can we discuss the cost? What's your best price for this? Is there room for negotiation on the price? Could you do any better on the price? Would you consider lower the price a bit? Master these openers is your first step towards getting that fantastic deal you've been dreaming of. Number 2, making a counteroffer. So now that you have initiated the conversation, it's time to navigate the negotiation waters with finesse. The following phrases are your secret weapons. I like it, but I was hoping to pay a bit less. How about instead? I was thinking more along the lines of, could you meet me halfway at, would you consider, is that the final price or can we work something out? With these phrases up your sleeve, you'll be well prepared to engage in a friendly back and forth, ensuring that you get the best deal possible. Number 3, expressing interest. In this scenario, we'll explore how to convey your enthusiasm while angling for a better deal. I really like this. Can you give me a discount? I'm interested in buying, but I'm trying to stick to my budget. If you can bring the price down a bit, I'll definitely take it. I'm considering buying this. What can you offer? I like this. What's the best deal you can give me? These expressions will not only show your eagerness to make a purchase, but also lay the foundation for successful negotiations. Number 4, comparing prices. In this scenario, you'll learn how to be a discerning shopper by considering various options. Here are some phrases to help you make informed decisions. I've seen similar items elsewhere for a lower price. I'm getting a better deal on this elsewhere. Can you match it? How does your price compare to? I'm shopping around. What makes your price competitive? Can you match the price from? In some cases, a shop owner might firmly stick to their price and suggest the shopper to explore other options. Now, this can happen when the owner is confident in their product's quality and pricing. It challenges you to decide based on your assessment of value and budget. Now, if this happens, what can you say in response? Of course, you can simply take the hint and walk away. However, if you choose to stay, there are 3 ways you could approach this situation. First, you can give a respectful acknowledgement by saying, I appreciate your confidence in your product. However, I like to explore my options, and if you could offer a competitive price, I'll be happy to make the purchase here. Second, you can also emphasize the importance of comparison by saying, shopping around is a habit of mine to ensure I'm making an informed decision. If your price can match or come close to the others, I'll be more inclined to stay. Third, you could also highlight potential loyalty by saying, I've enjoyed shopping here, and I'll prefer to continue doing so. If we can find a reasonable price, it would make my decision even easier. I think maintaining politeness and a willingness to engage in a constructive discussion can go a long way in reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. Isn't it about finding a balance between respecting the shop owner's pride in their business and making a savvy shopping decision? What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Number 5, asking for extras. Coming to the 5th scenario, we'll learn how to tastefully ask for those little something extras to sweeten the deal. Here are some phrases that can help you score bonus items. Is there anything extra you can throw in? Could you include as part of the deal? I'll be more inclined to buy if was included. Like if you add in a gift pouch. Are there any complimentary accessories you can provide? What can you sweeten the deal with? These phrases add an exciting layer to your bargaining skills, making sure you get the most value for your purchase. While it's not a guarantee that you get that extra perks, but there's no harm in asking, is there? Number 6, being polite and respectful. In the world of successful bargaining, there's a key ingredient that never goes out of style, and that is politeness and respect. Here are some phrases that will ensure your interactions are courteous and productive during negotiations. I appreciate your time discussing this with me. I understand you need to make a profit, but could we find a middle ground? I appreciate your help in making this purchase affordable for me. Thank you for your assistance. I just need to consider my options. I value your help, but this might not work for me. These expressions not only maintain a positive atmosphere, but also show your appreciation for the seller's efforts. Number 7, walking away if necessary. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, and even after trying all the phrases and tactics here, if the price doesn't align with your comfort level, it's perfectly acceptable to consider other options. The following phrases allow you to gracefully step back. I'll have to think about it and check some other options. I'll keep looking around before making a decision. I'll think it over and get back to you if I decide to buy. This might not be the right time for me to spend such amount. I appreciate your time, but I'll pass on this for now. Remember, it's all about making the best decision for your needs and budget. The key to successful bargaining is finding a mutually beneficial agreement. Be courteous, patient, and open to compromise. Keep in mind that not all places or situations are suitable for bargaining, so use your judgment. And always maintain a friendly and respectful tone throughout the process. Now, before I wrap up, I have a question for you. What's your favorite bargaining tip or phrase that you're excited to try out? Share it with me in the comments below. Remember, practice makes perfect. Be sure to hit that like button and save this video for future reference. Bargaining is a valuable skill that you can use time and time again. Even if your main focus isn't solely on money, these negotiation skills are still incredibly useful. Life isn't always about money. Sometimes it's about fairness and ensuring everyone receives a fair deal. Plus, there might be situations where owners ask for unreasonable prices just because the shopper looks rich. So, having these skills in your vocabulary pool can be empowering in many ways than one. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more English lessons. By the way, do you want to know your English level? Check out this video to give yourself a brief idea. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next week with another lesson. Happy negotiating!